Guys, super excited to be reviewing these active noise cancelling earbuds from Ugreen. Now, although we have seen a lot of this kind of tech over the past year or so, these are pretty damn cool. Why? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Yes guys, another set of wireless earbuds. These were sent to me by Ugreen in exchange for my honest review, and if you know my channel, you'll know that whether I buy something myself or whether I get sent it, you're always going to get an honest review from me, good, bad, or indifferent. So yes, wireless active, yes, active noise cancelling earbuds. The reason I'm emphasising active is because one thing that I usually leave to the end of a video, and that is the price. These earbuds are only £36. This is unbelievable, and Amazon at the time of this video going out are offering a further 15% off the price. So if you're looking for a set of active noise cancelling earbuds, not passive, active, for £30, what? You cannot go wrong. Now, yes, they could be rubbish, and then £30 is a waste of money. But if you do go to the Amazon site and take a look at them, they actually get an overall combined score of 4.4 out of 5. So that's pretty interesting. So before we wax lyrical about how these Hitune T3s are the best thing since sliced bread, let's open them up, check out the specs, and of course that all important sound quality, and see whether the hype befits the reality. So guys, pretty standard packaging. On the back we've got the function controls, which, let's face it, they are touch, so there's bound to be a few tap and hold gestures, but looking at this, not half as many as some earbuds that I've reviewed. Also, we've got some specs, but more on that in just a second. Open up the box and we are greeted with the earbuds in their charging case and 3 sets of spare tips, which look like small, medium and large. Lift up the flap and we've got some instructions and a safety guide, and that all-important USB-C charging cable. Now, I'm leaving that in the packaging as the amount of product unboxings I do, I literally have dozens of these cables, so no point in getting another one out. Now, take a look at the earbuds. The case is light and fairly small. Not much in it, really, between my AirPods Pro. In fact, a few similar design cues. The case has some LED charging indicators on the front, the USB charge socket, and a button to pair with on the bottom. Now, pairing, yes, you know, on iOS devices and things like that happen automatically, but some devices you are going to have to push the button because they're more manual. Now, take the earbuds out, and again, they look very Apple-ish, but that's a good thing. They are magnetic and do click back into the case quite nicely. They also have a set of tips fitted, and these were very comfortable for me and made a good seal, so I didn't really need to change those out. Now, getting them paired up was literally open up the case, go into pairing mode, which they do automatically, and then on my iPhone I found them straight away. Now, sound quality, well, I'm not going to try and play it through the computer, as really that doesn't do anything any justice. But the audio quality between several different tracks was very, very good. If I was being too fussy, I'd say maybe a little heavy on the bass, but that would be nitpicking. And if you want to get a look at what these actually look like on, again, they kind of fit like Apple AirPods. They're fine, they fit in the ear quite nicely, and they are really, really comfortable. Now, the audio, like I said, was good, and control wise, pretty easy. Like I said, a lot easier than some that I've reviewed. If you want to play, pause, you just kind of tap once, twice to skip forwards on the right earbud and backwards on the left. And if listening to music or if a call comes in, that would also answer. To reject a call, press and hold for 2 seconds, and similarly, if you're not taking a call, pressing or holding either earbud will switch them between active noise cancellation and ambient mode, whereby that's when you can kind of hear your surroundings digitally enhanced using the microphones. And also you can switch between no noise cancellation at all. Like I said, you can pretty much do anything other than change the volume. And trust me, these taps, like I said, are far easier than some earbuds that I've reviewed. Now, I also tried a couple of calls, and you know what? No problems there either. I could hear the conversation clearly, and everyone I called said that they could hear me clearly. Now, playback times were pretty good. I tested these for quite a number of hours. They're stated at around 5 to 7 hours depending on noise cancellation, and between 18 to 22 hours of charge time out of the case. And after all of my testing, that was pretty much on the money. And one last point to note, that these Hitune T3s have a fast charge capability, and that means if your buds are dead, 10 minutes in the charge case will give you around an hour of playback. So that's pretty neat, right? Because if you've not charged them and you need them for an hour or so, bung them in the charge case for 10 minutes and you are good to go. So guys, like I said, these are insanely cheap for the quality of them, the sound quality and the build quality. Not a lot different to these Apple AirPods. So for £30, which is what they are right now, with active noise cancellation and great sound, these are going to stay in my travel bag. They're worth every penny, and I really mean that, and more than that. And apart from a slight difference in tone, like I said, I hardly heard any different to what my AirPods Pro sound like. So guys, I will leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Ugreen for sending me these T3s to review. Like I said, you know, they are good. Very comfortable. And now they've just burst into music when I've just put them in my ears. So I'm going to take that out because that's kind of distracting. So guys, anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.